Hello everybody, I'm Andrea and welcome to Geeky Girls Journal. How are you today? I wanted to take this time and jump on quickly to say congratulations to Kamala Harris, who has been nominated as a vice presidential candidate for the Democratic Party. Before I continue with this video, I want you to like the video. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment below because we want to hear from you. We want to engage, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get right into it. So Kamala is the second Black woman ever elected to Senate. She's the first woman and the first woman of color to become a San Francisco district attorney. She is the first woman and the first woman of color to become the Attorney General of California. She is the fourth woman in history, to be chosen for a presidential ticket. Kamala attended an HBCU, Howard University. I know some of you may not know what HBCU is, but it means Historically Black College or University. Now, she is the first Black woman and first person of Indian descent to be nominated for national office by a major political party. We just want to again say congratulations to Kamala Harris. This is an accomplishment. And I believe that girls everywhere, Black girls, brown girls, can look at her and say, I can do it. I too can become a vice presidential candidate. Let's give it up for Kamala for representing girls everywhere. Girl power. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.